I'm going to quickly go over how to create a new user and give that user admin rights using the Windows command prompt as opposed to using the Windows 10 options, which tend to have a lot of loops just to get to creating a local user. The Windows 10, they try to get you to create an online user account like at outlook.com account or log in through that way, but I find the local account is better in some ways and more convenient, and takes less time to create. So what you're going to do is in your Windows 10 search bar, type CMD, which will bring up the command prompt option, and you can either right click and click run as administrator, or on the right side of the screen there's an option to run as administrator. You want to do that, do not open it, otherwise otherwise you will not be able to do this next step. Alright, so now that you've loaded the command prompt with administrator rights, you're ready to put in your command code. So what's going to be first is to create the user itself. Before you would give it admin rights, you would have to create the user with the password. So the code is net space user, and then it would be username and then the password. They named in this sample the username is admin2. And the password would be just password, and then you put slash add. It has to be that slash that goes from the bottom to the top, and then you'll see it will say the command completed successfully. Once that is done, you will type the next command, which will be net local group administrators, and then you just have to put in that new username and then space slash add. It will say the command completed successfully. All you have to do now is just restart the computer, and you should be all set to log in as that new username. Just make sure on the Windows screen to select another user, and then type in exactly the same credentials that you just created. Thank you.